Underarm waxing doesn't have to be painful. You're just a few steps away from smooth, bump-free pits without the sting. In this video, you'll learn 12 tried and true tips to wax your underarms the easy, pain-free way, all from home. Stick around to the end for the number 1 trick that reduces pain instantly. 12 tips to wax your underarms easily for general knowledge-based, actionable subpoints. Prep is everything. Start with clean skin. Wash underarms with mild soap to remove sweat and oils. Avoid using deodorants or lotions before waxing. Pat dry thoroughly. Wax sticks better on dry skin. Optional. Lightly dust baby powder to absorb moisture. Trim first. If needed, hair should be 1/4 to 1/2 inch long to long. It'll tug more to short. It won't grit. Use sanitized scissors or a bikini trimmer. Exfoliate gently a day before. Removes dead skin and lifts trapped hair. Use a sugar scrub or soft brush. Don't exfoliate on the same day, can cause irritation. Helps prevent ingrown hairs later. Choose the right wax. Hard wax is better for small, sensitive areas. Soft wax works too, but may be more painful. Microwave or wax warmer options work well at home. Always test wax temperature before applying. Test a small patch first, especially important for sensitive skin. Check for redness, bumps, or irritation. Wait 24 hours if for full application. Avoid if allergic reactions occur. Apply wax in the direction of hair growth. Most underarm hair grows in different directions. Apply in small sections. If hair grows in multiple angles, press wax firmly but gently. Don't rush. Precision helps reduce pain. Pull against the hair growth quickly. Hold skin taut with one hand. Pull, strip, or harden wax off in one fast motion. Keep it parallel to the skin, not upwards. Breathe out as you pull. It distracts your brain from the pain. Breathe and stay calm. Stress can increase pain sensitivity. Deep breathing relaxes muscles and nerves. Distract yourself with music or a podcast. Wax in a well-lit, comfortable space. Avoid waxing during your period. Hormonal changes make your skin more sensitive. Pain threshold is lower during this time. Best to wax a few days after your cycle ends. Listen to your body skid. If feeling tender, clean and soothe. After waxing, use a gentle, alcohol-free toner or aloe vera. Avoid tight clothing for a few hours. Don't apply deodorant for 24 hours. Pat dry. Don't rub with a towel. Prevent ingrown hairs. Post-wax, gently exfoliate every 2 to 3 days. Moisturize regularly with non-comedogenic lotion or loose, breathable clothing. Use tea tree oil or witch hazel for calming. Stick to a regular waxing schedule. Wax every 3 to 4 weeks for best results. Hair grows back finer and less dense over time. The more consistent, the less painful it gets. Avoid shaving in between. It messes with the growth cycle. Thanks for tuning in, folks. Don't forget to hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe for more.